Hello and welcome back. So today is day 3 of 21 days challenge and we will be doing the purpose exercise, clarifying your purpose. Yes, why are you here? So you might get vague answers from this exercise, and don't worry, because whatever answers you get, just start working on those answers and taking action on them, and slowly the path will unfold. And sometimes, we often think that, we are not following our purpose, we are not on the right path, we are not on the track, but it's not right. I also got this insight in past weeks that sometimes we think we are not still following our purpose, but wherever we are at now, that is the link to our purpose. That we are at the right point in this given time, we are at the right place, and this is the link to moving forward to our purpose. So just to assure you more on that, and let's get started on the exercise. So I will also be making a long form of this video, but then the exercise is like this. There are 4 points. In the first point, you have to write your unique qualities and talents, something like creativity, planning, or anything, or any talents that you have, unique to you, that come very naturally to you but not to others, and people say, hey, you're so natural at it. Then on the second point, you have to write how do you express them naturally to everybody else, to your loved ones, family members, and anybody else. So for me, one of my unique qualities is empathy and creativity and planning. And then for point 2, I express it by sharing knowledge, by teaching, by coaching, and also by helping my family members and other clients planning things, and helping them to plan their calendar or days, how to structure it, time management. And I love sharing this knowledge with more empathy so that people are able to live their best lives. Now, the third point is, what is the definition of the ideal world for you? Okay, how people are interacting with each other. What are the elements in this world that you would like to have? So, for me, a definition of an ideal world is that people are living their best lives, the life that they love to live, and that everybody is coexisting in harmony. I mean, that there is no conflict, that because someone else is living this way, then there is a conflict and the other person is not allowing them to live this way. They are all coexisting in harmony and peace with each other. And the planet is also like, there is more peace and harmony and more love and empathy in this world. And now we combine all these first, second, and third answers to form a purpose statement. So for example, the purpose statement for me would be that I use my empathy, creativity, and planning to teach and coach and share knowledge to people so that they can live their best lives on this planet and coexist in harmony and peace. So what is your purpose statement? Do write your purpose statement and share it in the comments.